Hardware development is challenging enough already, and when the pandemic came along, it became even more complicated. Throw in travel bans and the chip shortage, it meant that we as Eden couldn't be physically halfway across the world at our production center to be able to test and iterate as quickly as we'd like to. So we adapted, and we developed hardware and software solutions to be able to test and iterate on our product remotely. At Eden, we're always chasing the highest quality. So with us developing and putting to market the first wireless charging headset, we had to make sure that it was as robust as possible. With a purpose-built device, we pushed it through thousands of hours of playing content and charging cycles to make sure that it always performed at its best. And we extended that same care to all of our hardware. We developed a software solution to test every single component in the factory, from the Wi-Fi to the NFC and every single inch of the touchscreen. Now that we've made the technology more human and removed so many of the barriers traditionally associated with its use, we've opened up its potential for so many more applications. And personally, what we've identified as perhaps the most meaningful and impactful use of our technology is for it to be deployed in pediatric wards. With our animated medical content, the Get Well Pals, we can uplift and educate kids undergoing scary procedures. I'm Liam Kloppers, and I'm a software and hardware developer at Eden.